Hey guys, it's me again, Jeffrel for Art Panda TV, and for today's video, I'll be reviewing the HIMI or Miya gouache paint set that I got from Shopee. So please stay tuned. And so actually, this is my first time that I will use gouache. Or that I use gouache, so I have no knowledge yet how to use it. I have still been watching YouTube videos, and I'll take it from there. Alright, so I'll be swatching now the colors of this paint, and as you notice, as I go on adding more paint, it can be thicker, and as you go adding more water, it can look like watercolor. So, and siya. So, there's red, orange, yellow, orange, and then yellow. And there's, I think that's Rosiana. And then some light green, darker green, and blue-green, light blue, blue, brown, and darker brown. And there's also, I think that's Paints Gray or Indigo. And then, I have here 2 indigo and then 2 white paints. I'm not sure why they've done that. There's also purple pala on the other side and some pink. Okay, so looking at how it looks like. It looks like it's a good quality, but I'm not sure if it's light fast because it's not included in the box or it's not indicated in the box. So, okay, let's see how this one goes. Okay, so yan siya. And yung white hindi na siya masyadong makita kasi I'm not sure because probably it's thinner or I need to use it on top of a darker portion or darker area. And I'm trying to start with the background, trying to play with it using the nylon brush or flat brush. That's what I always see online when I watch YouTube or when I watch gouache painting. I see them using the nylon brush, not the squirrel or natural animal hair. I think it's because it will ruin your brush since makapal nga siya, and yung paint kasi is like acrylic. So, it may ruin the hair of the brush. Ayan. So, I'm starting to finish. And look at the water. So, ayan siya. Medyo messy. Okay. So, what I'm trying to do here is add some spots on the ears and on the eyes. Ayan. I actually have not really painted using acrylic, but I feel like this is the way you can use it. Before, I have been watching painting as well ng mga acrylic yung medium, and I think I will just do it like that. And when I was in elementary, during elementary days, I can remember I was using poster paints. So poster paints is actually similar to gouache because gouache is like a hybrid of watercolor and acrylic. So if you can notice here, I can go lighter by putting more water, pero I can also go thicker if I put more paints. Again, and adding some definition on the sides, and so to darken the background using a darker paint. Ayan, so if you notice guys, yung white nakikita na siya if you put it on top of a darker paint. And so I'm starting to sketch the face in some of the darker areas and some detail. I will not go as detailed as I'd like to because it's my first time using this paint set. This is just something that I'm playing. Right now I'm just playing, so I don't put too much stress because I know it's a new medium for me. This is the very first time that I'll be using this medium or this paint set. So, ayan, gusto ko lang siya makita kung how it goes or how it behaves or how it goes with the paper. So, ayan siya. So, actually, ang sarap niyang gamitin is when you put layer on top of each other, but make sure na tuyo na siya kasi maghahalo siya. And yun, mas maganda you have to wait for a few seconds or a few minutes na matuyo mo na siya. And then you can go more layers as you go more definition or more detail on your painting. That's it for our video today, guys. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification bell for my future videos. Anytime you have questions, please comment down below, or you can reach me on my social media accounts. Please stay safe and bye. Take care.